Amazing. So basically, Gambia town or Ghana town is popularly known for doing this because 90% of the kakoo we have in Ghana comes from this.
This is where it started. This is the home of kakoo.
Kakoo, exactly.
The original place. When you talk of kakoo, everywhere that Ghana is having kakoo today, it started from here.
Hello brothers, sisters, you're Okoro. So I traveled from Gambia to Senegal to see the process of how they make salted fish, kako, the popular delicacy we have in Ghana. So the reason why they migrated from Gambia to Senegal to work will be explained in the video. And if you are someone who wants to start kako business and get direct supply, this video is for you. Watch the end and get all the information or contact that you need. But before that, let me take you through our journey from Gambia to Senegal by road. And man, it's really amazing to travel by road within Africa. You really love it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If today is your first time watching, kindly subscribe, tell a friend, tell a brother, cooking with Sindaco, share, and man, keep supporting our Kodo. So here it's called Brikama in Gambia, and yeah, this is the street Brikama. So over here is where this the station. So street food. This is it rough buns, right? This is rough buns. Street buns.
This is pancake.
Pancake. Okay, so pancake over here.
This is fish cake.
Fish cake. Okay. Is it both fruits? It's both fruits, right?
Pancake.
A pancake. Okay. And sausage. Is sausage? Sausage. Okay. So sausage, peanut cake, bullet. How do you say bullet?
Granite cake.
Granite cake, yeah, granite cake. Okay, so she's doing salad. Man, I keep saying that Africa is the same, but most people have no idea the similarity of West African country. So on the streets of Gambia, Brikama, and man, it is what it is. So brothers, so we're heading towards Senegal, Elinkin. Okay, so the kakoo factory that I know, or most guys know that it's in Gambia. It's no more in Gambia again. Everything is being shifted to Senegal, Elinkin. So I'm here with Mr. Yuma Orkodo. We are cool. When I went to the station, as you can see, it's just like Ghana Trotro station. So as you can see, this is a Trotro station. Amazing. So this is the ride we get to for Slate. Okay. So we get to, this is the ticket. Okay. White one. White. So just go ticket. It's $1 fee. $70. $70 per one. Okay. So it is what it is. I give him 150 and give him 10. Amazing. When since Senegal, they use safer. It's different. The currency is different from this one, so I need to change to safer. What's 1,008?
What's 1,006?
It's number 9. It could go 8 pay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Okay. So as I said, we check it. What do you call it? We change it to safer. Yeah, higher. Okay. Okay. So 20,000 safer. Wow. And that's $2,200. Okay. Very cool. Amazing. So since the dollar is only here in Gambia, the safer, I know what the West African country is safer. So even if I don't spend it, I can still use it in other countries like Togo, Benin, Cote d'Ivoire, and other places. Yeah. So it is what it is.
So roughly 4 or 5 hours.
Okay. So you have to say we have like 4 hours, 4 or 5 hours. The cars that we'll be using, or they go to that place, Slate. Okay. Just like Ghana, you see the same kind of. Is that the normal place that changes? If I don't show you the normal place, you think I'm in Ghana. So I did an interview with him. I don't know if you guys have seen it, but if not, he's the one. His forefathers were the first people that came to settle in Ghana town. So I did an interview with him, and man, amazing. Like it's really beautiful to see Ghana town. I still get comments people on Facebook, man, go to visit Ghana town, but I've been there already. Anyway, and he has a son who is doing well with the arts, man. It's really beautiful, like super talented.
at 11 years, and what he's doing is amazing. It's crazy. It's just mind blowing. So we just boarded our trotro Gillige, right? And for Shizma Nizo, man. So Mr. Yuma just gave me one of his books. Okay, so he says from religion to responsibility, and he's talking about how to keep the environment clean. So yeah, so we're at the border and we're about to get down to stamp our passports.
So from Gambia to Senegal is about 30 minutes drive, less than 30 minutes. And on this stretch, there are 3 stops on the way. Okay, the very first stop or the border stop is for Gambia. It's Gambia, like you're checking out from Gambia. The second stop is the Senegal border, but controlled by the military. They also check your documentation. Then the last one is the Senegal immigration. That's where you get your final stamp before you enter Senegal. So both Senegal and Gambia will charge you something before they stamp your passport, which when I converted to my Ghanaian currency, it's very little, okay. But as compared to Togo border and Cote d'Ivoire border, man, you really pay huge when they see that you are holding an English passport. But anyway, that's not the reason why I'm doing this video. Let's continue our journey to Senegal to see how they process Kako.
Okay, so we have a second border over here to stamp for the Senegal. But I think this time I will use the Ghana card because the delay of the passport is too much. So we just showed our card at the second border. So we are in Senegal. Amazing. Selete. As you can see, the building is a selected building, the immigration kind of, yeah. So we are ECOWAS country, but then when you travel within Africa, there are lots of controls and lots of stops just to check, what do you call it, the documentation. I don't know, like, anyway, it is what it is. But then, so we stop again for a different check before we finally continue our journey. You pay. You pay.
Even every day you pass, people pass there.
Yeah.
You see Senegal, go to Gambia, to the market and buy.
It's
like that for them. They come and sell it here every day. But still problem.
They play. It's funny. ECOWAS.
Why should you have ECOWAS ID card?
Yeah. So we've done with the sign and everything. And as I was saying, man, it's really funny when traveling within the station. I'm from woman and we can just walk to this place. Yeah, so we're done with the stamping and everything, and as you can see, okay, so in Gambia they were asking me to pay 100, and over here I paid 1,000 CFA just for the stamp, whilst we are in ECOWAS. Man, it's funny, like it's really funny. Anyway, so here's Selector station, and as you can see, we're about to take another car to where we're going. Amazing. So we're buying tickets here in Senegal. This is Sifra. Man, just imagine if I've come alone with this language. Kabaya dread. Hey, last time I called you Senegal, sign language in Gutio. Sign language in Gutio. So we took the Peugeot. That was fast because the oven will take time before it gets full. Okay. So we got our tickets. So I'm getting the front same way. I want to see everything. You buying biscuit? How much is the biscuit? Sensor. 500 CFA. Okay, sensor. Okay, 500 CFA. So this is our Peugeot. So when I have my, as you can see, your friend sub by the Fansoon.
So this was our second car from Slate to Ziguinchor, and we left this station around 8 a.m. in the morning. And one funny thing is that as soon as we left the station, the car broke down on the way. just around the corner. And I was like, damn, if this thing has happened on the middle of the way, what would be the solution? Mamma mia. But luckily enough, since we were around the station, a new car came. We have to hop inside a new car and continue our journey to Senegal, Ziguinchor. But honestly, I really love to travel by road. Man, you see a lot of things. It gives you insights, highlights. It gives you knowledge. It opens up your mind. A whole lot. It allows you to learn. Okay. Traveling by road is one of the greatest experiences that everyone should have, especially across Africa. You need to travel by road across Africa to learn. There's a lot of stuff on the road that you definitely need to see. Your eyes must see certain things on the road.
So we are Ziguinchor, man. We spent almost all the time. The driver was very slow, so slow. So we've left with our last car to Ellington. So the same Peugeot. So the car that we got, the driver is a Ghanaian in Senegal. It's funny. So mostly he's the one that takes those when they bring the Gary to Ellington. So Ellington is more of Ghanaians over there. Those in Gambia, they've migrated to Ellington to do the Kako business over there. So over there. Wow. Man, we just bypassed a village called Samsam on the Senegal road headed towards Ellington. And it's a Ghana town here in Senegal. Samsam or Samdade. Okay, so as you can see, man, it's another place. Kako, Kako. Kako, Kako. Man, that car came from Ghana to Kako. Amazing. So we are at Ellington and it's 1:45, almost 1:45. Man, we left home around 6 something. The second driver was so slow, really slow. But anyway, we're here. So information reaching me says that there are lots of Ghanaians in this community. It is what it is. But the busy. So yeah, I'm in Senegal, and as you can see, busy in Senegal. Wow, amazing. So I'm in Ghana town here in Senegal, Ellington. But I'm Ghana from Wagafa, and I go continue.
Yes, I'm finally at Ellington in Senegal, and over here is where now they process Kako salted fish, the popular one that we have in Mankesimo, Ghana. So since I don't want to drag the video, this is the part 1 of the whole process. So this is the journey to Senegal. The part 2 is coming, and that's where you see the process of how everything is done, and the packaging, and then the delivery to Ghana and everything. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If this is the first time watching, kindly share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a brother. Stay tuned for the next one, and have the full updates and everything. Alright, I'm out.